Now, this is one side hustle that I've done in the past of doing here when I landed here as a new immigrant starting out life in Canada, and I needed money ASAP as a single mom. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be focusing on side hustles for moms, but not just any moms, specifically for single moms. As a single mom in the past, I know the struggles of trying to find a second job, the struggles of trying to meet your financial goals, the struggles of the finances, buying stuff for the kids, and the whole struggle of being a single mom. I know I have a lot of single mom here in my community based on these videos that have brought you here being a single mom. Now I can speak of this experiences because I was a single mom back then. I know the financial struggles. I know, I got you, I feel you. And that's why I created this video specifically for you. So if you're a single mama, go ahead and get your pen and your paper because you're going to learn some side hustles that you can start right now, today, right? And I don't want you to just be taking notes and watching this video as just another side hustle video. I want you to take action. We're setting trends in this community. We're trendsetters, so you're not going to just absorb all this information without action. It's action time. So the first side hustle for our single moms that I would recommend is party planning, especially if you have smaller kids. Now, party planning covers a wide variety of things that you can do under this niche. So you can plan party from cooking, catering, right from the comfort of your home. You can do rental, so party rental, events rental. If you have the space for this would be awesome, where you go on Kijiji, go on Facebook, and you buy stuff for parties, specifically for kids party. That would be your niche, right? So you buy those things and then you can rent them out. You can also DIY. If you're good at crafting, decorating, then you can DIY stuff and you rent those stuff over and over again. So you're getting a repeat revenue from these items. Another thing is baking. If you're skilled and you're gifted in baking, then you can offer baking goods, cakes, cookies, cupcakes, and all those things. These again can be done right from the comfort of your home, right? So these ideas I'm telling you, and you now have to find the gifting and skills that fits in whichever of these. Next idea under party planning is to dress up as a character. No, I'm telling you this because I have hired a party person for my son's birthday party, I think last year or the year before, and it was $250 for 2 hours. It was a Captain America. So just imagine if you like these fun things, you want to dress up. So it's fun. It's a fun idea to do. So this might take some investment, but you can start off with one costume at a time, right? So this can be Wonder Woman or whatever is the favorite cartoon character going around these days. You get that costume, create your flyers, and you advertise. Drop them off door to door in your neighborhood. Give them out when you go to pick up your kids from school. Tell them that you do party, costume, entertainment. So if you're that type of fun mom, I'm sure that this would be the perfect idea for you. So let me run them down again. Under party planning, it can be renting supplies, party supplies. It can be baking, it can be cooking or catering, and it can also be dressing up as a cartoon character. So think about that niche to see how you can fit in if you're gifted in any of these areas. Number 2 is to start with an e-commerce store. I recently did a video on how I started my t-shirt business. If you're interested in seeing that video, you can check it out after watching this video, of course. But you can consider being in that niche. You can niche it even down to single moms, creating t-shirts for single moms, creating t-shirts for kids. So you can use Shopify, you can use Etsy. There are a wide variety of platforms, e-commerce platforms that you can use to start off this business. So think about what kids idea comes to your mind. You start creating, you can even create free designs on Canva. You can use Placeit. I will list all these information in the description. Placeit to find mock-ups to put on your e-commerce store, and you launch. Let your kids market and promote your business. So these t-shirts, you wear them about single mamas. Your kids, you let them wear whatever design you're going to put on their shirts. They advertise for you, and your kids can help you. So if you want to start this t-shirt business at home, there's pros and cons, whether you're going to use drop shipping or whether you're going to print from home. Then you can get at your heat press and your Cricut. That's all you need to start out, to start off at home, the two major equipments. If you need more information on how to start off this business, let me know in the comments, and I will do another video to elaborate more of starting your t-shirt business from home. Next up is number 3, being a UGC, user generated content creator. So this can be on TikTok, this can be on Instagram, on Facebook, wherever it is. You market and promote other person's products to encourage persons to go ahead and buy them. So you can do reviews. It's hot right now on TikTok. Yeah, we know they're mentioning TikTok is shutting down, right? But go ahead and explore. If content creation is your specialty, content creation is your gift and your passion, then utilize that platform to start your side hustle from home, doing it as a single mom, right? Because we know it's more convenient. The convenience of it all is to be at home while you're watching your kids, you have your kids, and to start off these side hustles. By the way, have you yet subscribed to this channel? Why? If not, please, I invite you to subscribe, because we're talking about financial freedom, independence, and all that stuff when it comes on to growing and thriving in life. So please go ahead and hit the subscription button. While you're at it, hit the notification bell also, so you won't miss my next video to come. Number 4 is creating subscription boxes or gift boxes. So this can be another niche related to party also, or it can be another niche. You can do this seasonal whenever it's Mother's Day. You can have this for wellness. If you know somebody is not feeling well, then you have your wellness gift boxes. For kids' birthday, there are several niches that you can focus on to do these gift boxes. So persons in your neighborhood, in your churches, they know that you are the go-to person to put together gift boxes. You can personalize it, brand it to suit your colors of your business. So whether it's yellow to bring some light. So say somebody's not well, they're in the hospital, and they say, "Oh, I want to grab a gift box from Melissa." So they call Melissa, you know that Melissa is going to do this gift box to brighten up somebody's mental health. So whatever is your specialty, whether it's mental health, whether it's party, whether it's wedding. Wedding is another big profitable niche also. So you can focus on wedding, anniversaries, birthdays. There's a wide variety of niches that you can focus on doing these gift box subscriptions. So this will, again, require an investment, but you start off small. You collect the money, you go ahead and invest, purchase the stuff, make the gift boxes, and then you deliver. So one cocoa, full basket, as they would say in Jamaican terms. Next up is number 5, braiding hair. Now, if you're African Caribbean, I'm sure, almost sure, that you know how to braid, how to plait, how to cane row, how to twist, and all that good stuff when it comes on to taking care of your hair. Even locks. See, I've been on a ear journey. If you've been following me for a while, you've seen that I had my bald head. In my first set of videos, I had locks, micro locks. After 2 years, I shave it off. Now I'm restarting my sister lock journey. I'm doing it myself. So this is an idea. If you have locks, if you have natural hair, you're good at combing your kids' hair, why not make some flyers, advertise in your community, in your church, at your kids' school that you can do here. Now, this is one side hustle that I've done in the past of doing here when I landed here as a new immigrant starting out life in Canada and I needed money ASAP as a single mom. I used to do here. So I was doing crochet braids. So that was my niche specialty, crochet braids, because I didn't have the patience to stand over people's head to be braiding for hours and hours. Crochet braid was just easier. You cane row, you crochet, that's like 2 to 3 hours. So whatever you want to specialize in, if it's locks, crochet braids, braiding, twisting, kids here, men's here, women's here, whatever it is, find your niche, create your flyer, create your social media platform, spread the word, start getting clients, start building referrals, and voila, you have a side hustle right from the comfort at your home without even with while you're watching your kids at home, you're getting an extra $1,000 per week, five to $1,000 per week, depending on the type of side hustle. Now, lastly, as we jump into our final side hustle idea for single moms, it is starting a YouTube channel. Guys, I've been telling you this. I think I repeat this side hustle in all of my side hustle videos because of the convenience of YouTube, because of the many ways you can be monetized from YouTube, not only relying on the AdSense money that you get from YouTube, but also the different stuff that you can plug into your YouTube description so people can come and purchase, right? So if you're a single mom, it's a good idea to start a YouTube channel. Listen, I've done a few videos on single moms, and those are my most trending videos right now on my channel. So you see that single moms is a trending keyword. No, you don't have to necessarily focus on single mom. You can focus on different stuff. Whatever you're passionate about, you can start your YouTube channel about this as a single mom. So whether it's homemaking, managing, content creating, working, career, lifestyle, finance, whatever niche you're passionate about, starting a YouTube channel right in the comfort of your home would be a good idea. I will list all the things that I use to do my YouTube channel in the description below. Currently, I'm just using my Samsung phone, my tripod, my mic. I'm not even using my ring light because I'm using the natural lights in the house right now. So starting a YouTube channel is not that hard. You can do it. I believe. I believe that you can do it. Thank you for sticking around. And those are the 6 side hustles for single moms that you can go ahead and start right now. Let me know which one you're thinking about starting in the comments below. I see you in my next video. Bye for now.